world is waking up. Are you? In our increasingly fast-paced world, mornings often become a battleground. The snooze button, a siren song luring us back to sleep, sabotages our productivity and robs us of precious hours. We snooze the alarm thinking, just 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes turn into 10, then 20, and eventually hours. The hours which could have been spent chasing dreams, learning new skills, practicing meditation, and giving time to family and friends. They slip away just like that. While you're still dreaming, others are already up, exercising, planning their future, creating, learning new skills and ways to stay ahead of others. They're taking control of the one thing none of us can get back: time. And here's the truth. Those early hours of beautiful and peaceful morning, when everything is quiet and productivity multiplies, the ones most of us surrender to sleep, hold the power to change your life completely, yet you don't even realize it. Ask yourself, why are you trading your future, your dreams and aspirations with the temporary comfort of pillows? Why sacrifice so much for so less? This is your wake-up call. Own your morning. Elevate your life. The way you start your day powerfully shapes how productively you live it. Robin Sharma, in his book, The 5 a.m. Club. This book, The 5 a.m. Club, is a must-read for those struggling to wake up early. Sharma discusses and advocates for starting the day early to take control of your time and energy. If you want your day to start early in the morning, if you want yourself to be included in the 5 a.m. Club and want to master the game of life, this video is for you. Because this video will equip you with practical strategies and a renewed mindset to conquer your mornings and unlock your day's true potential. There's something powerful which lies deep within you, something that is your internal guide, something that makes your body thrive, something that is given way less importance and focus than it actually deserves, something that orchestrates your every action, your every emotion, from knowing when to work with maximum productivity and when to give your body a rest. That powerful something is your circadian rhythm, your 24-hour sleep-wake cycle. But the question is, what happens if ignore this sleep-wake cycle? Chaos. Nothing but chaos. You start to feel tired, unprepared for your daily tasks, your health deteriorates, and your creativity dies. The beauty of circadian rhythm is that it works within you, it works for you, not against you. The early bird catches the worm. Benjamin Franklin. Imagine yourself waking up 100% fresh, very well rested, and properly focused to take on the tasks and challenges of the day. Yes, that's the power of aligning with your circadian rhythm. That's the power of waking up early in the morning. It boosts cognitive function, increases creativity, which leads to enhanced productivity. It's time to stop fighting with the body's natural clock and start to align with it to make your life exemplary. The morning is the right time for thinking, the afternoon for action. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Kobe Bryant was one of the greatest basketball players in the history. He was famous for his athleticism, technique, and stellar success, both individually and collectively. But what was the secret behind his success? The Mamba mentality, the consistent habit of waking up early and train. He would wake up at 4 a.m. every day to start his training. His motto was simple: by starting earlier, he could do more practice sessions than his competitors. While others might complete 2 workouts a day, Kobe would often manage 3 or even 4. This extra effort and these extra practice sessions gave him edge over other basketball players as it allowed him to practice more. At an occasion, when he was explaining the importance of waking up early in the morning, he said, "I worked on my craft relentlessly. You have to dedicate yourself to be the best at what you do. Early mornings gave me the time to do that." His success story is the biggest example for us to learn the importance of waking up early to have an edge over others in almost every field of life. The importance of having an optimal sleep environment is often underestimated. Having a cool, dark, and quiet sleep environment is the foundation of a proper sleep. When your bedroom follows the conditions of nighttime, it sends signals to your brain to release melatonin, the sleep hormone, thus helping you sleep faster and deeper. Sleep is the best meditation. Dalai Lama, to give answer to that question, is why we are here. Set a consistent and fixed sleep schedule. Avoid screens 60 minutes before bed. Practice relaxation technique like meditation or stretches. Take a warm bath. Play calm and soothing music in low volume. Read a book or journal for some time. Avoid caffeine and late eating heavy meals. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Benjamin Franklin. The key is consistency. Small improvements over time compound and lead to significant results. John C. Maxwell. A morning routine is the hack which most of the people are aware of but struggle to actually implement in their life. By starting your day early, it creates a certain purpose in your life which sets the tone for clarity of mind, productivity, and balance. Be the owner of your time. Wake up early. Start early. Fuel your body with exercise to map out your priorities. A solid morning routine reduces stress and anxiety. It is a strong mood elevator and keeps you physically fit. Adoror. Here's a sample morning routine idea, which is near perfect for every human being irrespective of his field. Wake up 5:30 a.m. Hydration. Start your day with a large glass of water. Movement. Engage in light exercise such as yoga or a short walk. Mindfulness. Practice mindfulness meditation or deep breathing exercises. Reading. Read a chapter of a book or an inspiring article. Planning. Review your daily to-do list and set intentions for the day. Healthy break fast. Fuel your body with healthy foods like eggs and oatmeal. Everybody is fighting procrastination these days, but it can be combated with an extremely simple yet effective rule, the 2-minute rule. The rule states that if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. For example, replying to an important email, washing a dish, organization, your study table, etc. There are numerous examples of such tasks. Do them completely. Even completing such small tasks on time gives a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. This gives momentum, helps fight procrastination, and creates a foundation for consistency. Take a moment and close your eyes. Now imagine you sleep on time tonight and wake up early the next day. You feel well-rested, focused, and have clarity of mind. Your first actions are not random, they are purposeful. Stretching, yoga, meditation, or going out for running. You're not stressed, you eat healthy breakfast and start planning your day. Sounds incredible, right? And pretty achievable too, see? That's the power of visualization. Visualize how you want your everyday to start and make that happen. Turn those ideas into a reality. The mind is everything, what you think you become. Minus Buddha. Always your day by expressing gratitude for the opportunities and blessings in your life. Hey, the life is short. What truly matters is how you live. You can choose to be ungrateful and always wishing for more, or you can choose to be grateful for what you have and who you have in your life. The latter approach of cultivating gratitude cultivates positivity and optimism, and that is the first rule of living a happy life. By beginning your day with gratitude, you'll find yourself more focused, motivated, and ready to face challenges with grace. In the words of Oprah Winfrey, gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. Always remember, you only have now. Past is past. Forget everything that has already happened. It shouldn't be your concern. Free yourself from the weight of past and anxiety of future. When you engage yourself completely in present moment, In what's happening right now, you become more clear of what you want and what your purpose is. You are making your present happy and free of stress, and you're indirectly creating a brilliant future, and that is the key to success, happiness, and peace. Let go of distractions. Whether you're sipping your morning tea or doing a task, give it your full attention. The future you desire is built by fully living today. The present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you can realize this, you'll have found the entire secret of life. Buddha, imagine your day as a river. Early mornings are the source, the spring of fresh energy and possibility. By harnessing the power of those early hours, you can channel that energy, shaping the course of your day and ultimately, your life. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Start today. Wake up 15 minutes earlier than you normally do. Experiment with different morning routines and discover what works best for you. Start by picking up one early morning habit, implement it slowly in your routine, and master it. Pick up the next habit and just like that, master it. Implement it in your morning routine. Live in the moment. And don't forget to include physical activities like walking, stretching, and running in your morning routine. And remember, consistency is key. I wake up early to have quiet moments for myself, whether it's reading, writing, or working out. It's my way of grounding myself before the responsibilities of the day begin. Barack Obama.